The most significant changes coming out of the times we're living will be the basic things we previously took for granted. This video is about connecting dots, and in it we'll examine how the pandemic will inform decision-making by examining populations, land masses, and health stats. Ultimately, we'll connect it to real estate impacts. Let's begin by considering 13 countries who show a substantial amount of variance in their land masses. Now let's transpose these numbers against their populations. On the right axis, we've added a population scale. Country populations are represented by the white bars, and their numbers are presented in red. Now, let's go ahead and create a social distancing ratio. We've taken these countries and calculated how much land there is per person. Notice Canada has the largest number and South Korea the smallest. Let's now see if we can correlate this with basic health statistics. We've cut our list down to 8 countries, the G7 plus Spain. These are the number of reported cases as of April 13th, 2020. Now we're displaying the number of cases as a percentage of those 8 countries' populations. You can see why we added Spain. Now we'll compare the social distancing index to infection rate to see if there's a correlation. First, the social distancing index, now the infection rate. The infection outliers are Spain, Italy, and Japan. There's some correlation, but it's not strong. Are there other factors? Let's consider one city. New York is the epicenter of the outbreak in the United States. The numbers are so large they disproportionately impact the stats of the U.S. If we remove the New York stats from the U.S. stats, let's see if it normalizes the data. We'll now apply the adjusted numbers to our analysis. On the left, the social distancing index, and on the right, the adjusted percentage of cases per country. We now see a stronger correlation between the data sets. To finish up, let's apply these findings to some basic corporate real estate decisioning. Density is a huge issue, and this will impact areas such as building permits, new retail formats, reconfiguration of workplaces, the emergence of secondary communities, and a move to a network of places. Big moves are on the horizon. Give me a shout. Let's have a chat.